Hi guys, it's Ainsley and Brooke. Welcome back to our channel. We will be making strawberry truffles. So now we're going to need 2 packs of chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, and we're going to pour both of the whole thing into here. And then we're going to pour this in on top of it. And then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of the whipping cream. You can tell it's zested. This is all of the zest. So now we're going to bring this over to the microwave. So now we're going to pour half of these on. Now we're going to take this and we're going to take a scoop. We're going to take that and we're going to roll it up into a ball. Now we're going to eat it.